Can you decode this puzzle? Answer is sugar-coated. What's this puzzle saying? But on second thought. What's this puzzle saying? It's repeat. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is fooling around. Can you decode this idiom? Did you guess right? Answer is straight from horse's mouth. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is dress up. Can you decode this puzzle? This is quite tricky. Answer is icing on cake. Can you guess this correctly? It's unfinished business. Can you guess this correctly? This is very easy. Answer is Karate Kid. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is blood is thicker than water. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is sleep on it. What's this puzzle saying? Let's see how fast you reason. Answer is 1 step forward and 2 step backward. This is very easy. It's breakfast on bed. What's this puzzle saying? Did you guess correctly? It's stepfather. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is shot in the dark. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is undercover agent. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is eyeglasses. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is working 9 to 5. What's this puzzle saying? This is a bit tricky. Answer is it's up to you. Can you guess this correctly? Answer is firecracker. What's this puzzle saying? This is motivation word. It's pick yourself up and start over again. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is fair and square. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is way to go. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is to be honest. What's this puzzle saying? Answer is good intentions. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share with your loved ones. Thank you.